Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. Dear everyone, we may have gotten something as good. Huge statements about upcoming changes to the XRP ledger, or, more crucially, a big price movement driven by significant volume, on a day when everyone was expecting an XRP settlement. What's been happening, though, and who is buying XRP? Always remember to hit the like and subscribe button, we'll cover it all in these videos. Now, let's begin. So, naturally, eventually good to see you again on the channel. Let's take a look at the market as a whole. It's worth $2.5 trillion, and Bitcoin has been very unpredictable, going as high as 65,000 and as low as 65,000. We saw a decline of around 2.97%, with a volume of $73 billion. This is typical for UK bank holidays. On the other hand, XRP achieved its trending goal with a volume of approximately 1,700,000,003, a substantial increase compared to Mondays, when we typically see volumes of around 1.6 to 1.7 billion, a 2.97% increase on the price holding 54 cents. The intriguing part about the price, though, is that as anticipation of a possible settlement grew, we witnessed a 57-cent XRP. I mentioned yesterday, and this morning, that we are well past the deadline that everyone had anticipated for us to receive the settlement agreement. Two possible results should be kept in mind. If SEC succeeds, it will be approximately 1.9 billion, and if Ripple succeeds, it will be under 10 million. As a result, the dynamic will be fascinating. Anyone who keeps up with market news knows that the SEC has gone after Robinhood because, well, they just couldn't get enough of Coinbase XRP. Plus a lot of others have joined them in targeting Robinhood, which further solidifies my position that we must stand in opposition to their goal of destroying the US Bitcoin business. This is the most absurd aspect. There's a lot more to it than that. If you recall, I was the first to bring up the XRP ledger before anyone else. Now that it's out, Ripple is also making sure that its in-house products, like XRP, can scale. This is all part of their strategy to become a major player in international payments. I've been harping on how significant this will be and how it will serve as a pivotal component of XRP. Actually, it's become a tad larger. We will now go into some detail regarding the upcoming enhancements. In the cryptocurrency space, there is an initiative called the X-Chain Bridge that is up for vote. It will eventually be compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, allowing asset transfers between XRPL and independent side chains. Users will be able to control their digital identities within the ecosystem. This initiative is similar to Jasmine's reusable KYC process and aims to decentralize exchanges and streamline regulatory processes. If you are familiar with Ethereum, you know that EVM is the final step in creating ERC-20 tokens and adding to that chain. This would also make it easier to exchange XRP and unlock the potential of tokenized assets. Improving the cross-chain ecosystem pricing Legends utility at Oracle, here, things get interesting, especially when you compare it to the ultimate market America we had on there. In the end, it's like the second iteration of that coming price and accuracy system with less slippage. With these price systems, operating decentralized applications will be a breeze. Oracle has you'll also find features like peer chain, which aims to enhance current capabilities, plugins, hooks, XRP, dynamic MFTs, and a whole lot more. In my view, these are major changes for XRPL, and they usher in this whole new asset class that is experiencing a massive upheaval in 2024. When discussing financial institutions like pensions, regulatory banks, and even sovereign wealth funds, the kind we discussed in relation to Bitcoin, I believe this makes the XRPL one of the best opportunities to have. The XRPL may make use of this to send and receive large sums of money in a safe and secure manner. Also, remember that we've already covered this. the ability to remember transactions. Because of this, Brad is going to end up with a lot of airtime. Everyone from XRP and Ripple was there at this event in Las Vegas, discussing the latest developments. This is fascinating. Not nearly enough alpha, but still plenty of good stuff. Without a certain, David Schwartz was present, discussing a wide range. I find it fascinating that the SEC is pursuing cryptocurrency adoption companies, with the intention of losing each one. My prediction is that Ripple will win this lawsuit and XRP will go on. I am very certain that there will be a monetary penalty associated with it. We can proceed with progress in this area if it means the SEC is satisfied. Thus, if we can bring XRP up to its true value, I'll consider it a good trade. In that case, how is the pricing now behaving? You can see that our wick, which was 57 cents long and tested the 200-day exponential moving average, was rejected. As I mentioned briefly during my live stream, you can see on the chart that the 5,227 line, which was previously a resistance line, is now a support line. This is great news because it means that this line could potentially become the next resistance at 55.76. At this 50-day exponential moving average, which is approximately 57.58, it might go a little higher. Listen, this is a great improvement and a move in the right way. On the other hand, MACD is also showing promising signs. So, XRP has a lot of positive indicators going for it. We need that settlement case to move forward, and it needs to be less than $10 million. Not to mention that XRP is going to be a major factor in 2024, in my opinion. Your opinions are always valuable to me, as always. Please inform me in the comments section. Alternatively, you may simply put an X in that box if you are not sure how to answer the issue, or have no opinion. Therefore, I can tell that you are an XRP supporter. Additionally, be sure to check out the links in the description if you are interested in purchasing XRP trade futures on it. We have one up for grabs at the moment, and if you sign up through our connections, Maxi is offering great deposit incentives. By the way, come be a part of the initiative I'm starting. Click the link to our Telegram, and come see what's happening if you want to be a part of something very extraordinary. We haven't launched just yet. We still have a few months to go, but we can't wait to have you join us. Well, that concludes our video. Your support in the form of a like and a subscription would mean the world to me. Muchas gracias, depart.